Sasha, and how do you want to be introduced? Because we're like Rayomi. This is Sasha and Rayomi. Today we're going to be doing a editorial look. Have some respect. I'm sorry. Yeah, so today we're gonna be doing. Keep it rolling.
Keep it pushing.
So today we're going to be doing a editorial look and butterflies. So I guess that's gonna give it away, but we're gonna be doing something with butterflies, and I'm very excited. So let's just get into the video. Awkwardly looking at the camera. These. Today. Did I bring down the brush that I like the most? No. Okay. No, I would never forget you. Imagine forgetting your brush.
You know, he's
Hi,
not bad anymore.
Using the James Charles palette. And since we have some blues, yellows, and greens, I think I'm gonna keep it like blue and green because the yellow doesn't come through in this palette. I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. I don't know the shade name. Do not spread the corona.
Oh.
We're also doing a MUA Q&A.
How long have you been doing makeup for? Why are you guys laughing?
I started doing makeup in 7th grade with NYX matte dirty liquid lipstick, and the brand's not dirty. I was just dirty for the shades that I was picking for my face. And mascara. Then in 8th grade it was highlighter, mascara, and lip gloss. And now I'm 17, about to be 18, so I'm not capping. Kidding. So yeah, for what is that, like 5, almost 6 years? Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the blue shade. I'm just gonna rub it in on her crease because we're bold. We're bold like that. And the further that you actually hold it, like the less control, but the more blended it will look. Your makeup will look less harsh. You need to kind of like that so they can see what's going on. After the blue, we're gonna go in with this light green here, and we're just gonna blend it more into the top of her crease.
My crease.
And we might bring it. Oh, I accidentally put green on you. We might bring it a little bit in the middle, but I'm still debating about that. Back up.
When did you start doing makeup and what led you to makeup?
I started doing makeup when I was 12, and what led me to makeup was when I used to have like these school dances. My mom, she used to always do my makeup, and like green, like some green shimmery shadow was like always like her favorite to put on me.
Why did you start a YouTube channel?
I started a YouTube channel because I felt like I had the personality for it. And as I'm still starting with my videos and going along with my videos, I feel like more and more of my personality is coming out. You know, it's just awkward talking to yourself on a camera because you don't know who's gonna end up watching. But yeah, that's why I started.
I'm doing good at it.
Fastest makeup time so far.
I actually did my mom's makeup the other day, and it was like 45, like 50 minutes, like as a full beat. I don't know, the fastest I used to do my makeup was probably like in 10th grade when I used to do like those thick Hershey eyebrows that we're not gonna revisit.
Well, I wasn't there, so I don't even know. I wasn't there, but
And like highlight, like I used to just leave like the concealer on my eyebrows and do my eyebrows and just go to school. So, you know, it was
I'm gonna go to school.
It was a dark time. I'm gonna put some yellow on the center of her eyelid since the butterflies have yellow in there too. Just gonna dab it on there and bring it up because open your eyes. As you can see, she has hooded eyes, so I want to raise up the yellow a bit more so you guys can really see it.
I'm gonna be a butterfly. love that.
Lean forward so they can see.
Oh, that's actually really pretty. You're giving me like
what's it called? Like carnival vibes.
Carnival. I'm going to the carnival.
Now using the De La Rue Cosmetics glitter in the shade Malibu, I'm going to be doing a big giant wing on both eyes. So here's what we're coming out with so far. As you can see, the wing is forming, and I think I'm gonna use the De La Rue Cosmetics loose pigment in the shade White Diamonds, and I'm thinking about making some teardrops in the inner corners. I'm really excited on how this is turning out. I can't wait to add the stickers. We're really trying to transform her into a butterfly.
a butterfly.
Period. Okay, so we made the teardrop. This is looking very crazy right now. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then after that, we're gonna start with putting the butterflies on her face. Okay, so I tried to copy the same thing on both of the eyelids, and now we're going to add the butterflies. So I'm thinking that we should like place it like that, like around your face.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna do that. Alright, it's like scary. Scary. Cause like it's like popping out of her face. Like, go to the camera. Can you see it? Can you turn it?
Oh my.
It's like really like three-dimensional.
I'm a butterfly.
Butterfly.
The contour on my face. Look.
Should I bring it lower a bit? A little bit.
Yeah.
Just a smidge. Look, Zanaya.
Oh my god. This is crazy. And the eyelashes will be like.
I know. Oh yeah,
so
that was
excited.
the eyelashes. So get up close to the camera and show them. See your face. Okay, we have the butterflies. Look towards the camera. This is coming out so amazing. Should I add another big butterfly? Or should I?
Where? Just do what you think.
I'm gonna add
will
like
look
this
good.
tiny like random butterfly.
Just like
I'm doing this paint. Like that. I think putting the big one like right there, and then putting like the big one and then the little one like kind of like shows people like to stand out. To be bigger like than what they think they are, because all the other ones are like small. But yeah.
cute. Let's see.
The colony is shaking right now. Okay, everyone, here is the finished look. Voila. This is my first time doing an editorial look, and I think it came out pretty good. How do you guys think it came out?
I think it came out beautiful. I'm in
So
love.
now we're gonna take a whole bunch of pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.